Hello my lovely students, once again in speaking session we are already talking about communication skills. Your communication is very important for your daily life matters. If your communication is good, then you can convey your message. If your communication is bad, it's barriers in the way of the communication, then it can be incomplete message you are sending to your receiver. You know that there are 4 to 5 things in communication. One is sender, second one is receiver, third one is channel, fourth one is feedback, and there are 2 other things, encoder or decoder. Sender means that person who is sending the message to others, it can be called senders. And afterward, when message is delivering, that time you have to use one specific channel. It can be WhatsApp, it can be email, it can be Facebook, it can be Messenger, it can be Instagram. So any kind of channel you are using, it's very necessary for communication. When you will use channel afterward, you have to think on your message. What kind of message I am delivering to anybody, either it's appropriate or not, it's authentic or not, it's according to the situation or not. These kinds of thinking you must adopt in your communication. When you think about your message, afterward your message should be delivered to others. Your message should be conveyed to others. And when your message will be sent to other, afterward you have to wait on the response of the receiver. When message sent to the receiver, afterward receiver will receive the message and will think on it. What's the message? What is the purpose of the message? Why message is sent from the sender? Afterward I have to feedback on it. When message sent to the receiver receive it, and afterward he think on it. Whether it's a message from office, it's assignment, it's a proposal, it's a map, any kind of thing can be. When he think on it, afterward he will decode. Decode means he will give some points from him. It can be written, it can be spoken, and it can be any assignment or file that will be attached for sending feedback. Because those things has been asked from you, you have to reply according to them. If you have to ask, please give me the solution of the assignment of number 1, if you will give the solution of assignment of number 2, then it's inappropriate. It's not a good communication. It means that you can't convey your message, and your message is good but receiver can't understand you, then it's also lack of communication. If your communication will be good, if your message will be delivered according to the situation, according to the main person body, that is the receiver, then your communication cycle will be completed. Flexibility in the cycle, then might be it will be collision, it can be destruction, it can be a delusion, and it can be illusion for you. So why communication is very important, and why the cycle, the process of the communication is needed? Because all the things are very important. If you think that I send message, my work is completed, my task is completed, it's not over. It needs more attention. Your message till then not delivered, and your receiver not understand this. From that time your message is unauthentic. Your message is incomplete. Your message will be complete when the receiver receive the message and give the feedback. If feedback is a good way, in a good manner, then your communication process is completed. So just I am realizing the importance of communication. For communication, your process should be completed. Your message sent according to the situation, your message sent to the receiver according to the viewpoint, because you are the main body, you are the main person, and you are attached yourself with the message, because you are sending to the receiver and receiver is receiving your message. Afterward he will give you feedback. When you will receive feedback and you think that this feedback is appropriate for me, this feedback is good for me, and it's help for my any organization, it help for my office, and those things I ask from my the receiver, he send me, and it's a good communication. So just I am realizing the importance of communication. You must think that you should use the way that is helpful for your communication. Communication is very important. It's play a pivotal role in your life, particularly if you are in office, if you are in any organization, if you are in any department, if you are in the university, in college, in school, anywhere you are working, communication is very important. But if you deny the importance of communication, then you are not a literary person. So next lecture we will talk about another aspect of communication, particularly in English.